easy for me. Final Fantasy is all that I play. All other games are lame, it puts them all to shame. I only play games that are popular. I only buy the games the magazines is the way to buy. That way I know I get good games for sure. I may have a shallow mind, but you can kiss my behind. Final Fantasy, it consumes my life, and that is probably why I'll never have a wife. Final Fantasy has awesome music, and that's probably why it always gets remixed. I always buy the soundtrack to each game, which is the only thing that I will listen to. Oh, sure, one day it may drive me insane. You may think that I'm a fool, well, one can say it's true. Final Fantasy on PlayStation 2 with music by Nobu and graphics by One Two.